This is our final lesson on writing blog content that sells, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the best ways to choose great topics for your articles and how to craft titles that get clicks. There may be times when you feel tempted to just write about anything and everything that pops into your head, but try to resist the temptation. We have discussed this earlier, but writing just for the sake of putting content on your blog could actually be doing more harm than good. More content is not always better. If you were not aware of the fact, let me tell you that Google pays attention to how long people stay on your site. It's called bounce rate, and when people leave your site quickly or don't click another article, Google sees it as meaning your content isn't what the visitor was looking for. This means a possible drop in rankings for your site. For this reason, and for the sake of making sure visitors actually like your site and want to come back, it's important to write only about topics you truly believe your visitors will enjoy. But how do you know what your visitors will enjoy? Grab a pen and paper and go to some of the top blogs and sites in your niche. See which of their articles are getting the most shares and comments and make a list of those topics. You can write your own version of the same topics, but put your own twist on them. Write something similar, but definitely different. Do your best to put your own unique twist on the topic. Make it yours. Next, it's important to create catchy headlines that will actually make people want to click and read the article. Let's look at some examples. Bad. Electric heaters can be dangerous. Good. 15 alarming ways electric heaters could kill your family. Bad. Dust mites are a common allergen. Good. The shocking hidden source of allergies lurking in your home. Bad. The best fried chicken recipes. Good. 6 fried chicken recipes so good your grandma will beg for the recipes. Bad. Getting more blog traffic. Good. 12 little known sources of traffic to make your blog stats implode. Those headlines may seem a little hyped, but hey, they work. If you really pay attention to the articles that are getting a lot of attention online, almost all of them have headlines that are full of hype. Hype works. Don't be afraid to inject hype into headlines. Try to add a little curiosity into the mix. Make your readers want to know what you have to share with them. Even the big news websites the world over and gossip magazines everywhere do this. They deliberately state things in such a way that make a story or an article sound more exciting or even scary than it actually is, just to grab clicks. I'm not saying you have to misstate anything. Just inject enough hype to make people curious enough to want to read your article. Well, my digital friend, that concludes this series on blog posts that sell. I hope you've learned a lot and that you found it useful. In closing, I wish you the very best and good luck with all your blog posts.